Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to delete any additional language on your Windows computer. Now to go ahead and fix this, go to the start menu, then click on settings and then click on time and language, then click on language. Now any language which you want to go ahead and remove, you can click on it and then click on remove. Now, in case if this remove option is grayed out or if you are unable to remove the language, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now, to do this, you can go ahead and copy this command. The command is provided in the video description. Now, let me inform you that this command will remove all languages except US English, and then you can go ahead and add the language if you want to add any language. So, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Make a right click on start menu, then click on Windows PowerShell admin, then click on yes to allow, and then paste it over here, hit the enter key, and then run the second command over here. Copy this, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now you will receive this prompt which says continue with this operation and Y for yes, N for no. So you can press Y over here, you can type in Y and then hit the enter key, and then you can go to settings again and then go to time and language and then click on language, and over here all the language would be gone, only English United should be left. And then if you want to add any language, you can click on add a language, and then over here you can search your language and then click on next and install it if you want to install any additional language. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and use registry editor. For this, type in registry editor in Windows search box and then click on registry editor. Click on yes to allow, and now before you make any changes, you can go ahead and create a backup for your registry. For this, go to file, then click on export, then select desktop, or you can select any location wherever you want to save, then name it as backup or whatever you want, and then select export range as all and then click on save. Now in case in future if you want to restore the registry, you can simply go to file, then click on import, and then you can go ahead and select the backup file, then click on open. This will go ahead and restore the registry. Now in order to fix this problem, expand HKey users and then expand dot default, then expand the keyboard layout. Now over here you can see the preload option, so make a right click and then click on delete and then click on yes, and once this is done, close this registry editor, go to the start menu, click on the power icon, then click on restart, and after the system restart you can go to your Windows 10 settings, click on time and language and then click on language, and then you can go ahead and select the language which you want to remove and remove it, and this time you should be able to remove the language. So one of the steps should definitely help you to delete all the additional language from your Windows 10. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.